us in the bike.
All right, here we are. Since it's a windy day, we're gonna have some fun. Dirk and I are gonna switch skis, so I'm gonna try the Radar Vapor, and Dirk's gonna try the Connolly C1. And my only fear is that I'll fall in love with the Radar Vapor, and then I'll have a tough choice.
I got it. So. I got it for when you can get one from.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be doing any PBs today, but we're gonna have some fun.
We're not gonna do any PBs on whatever we're.
Can hold his fingers behind his back.
I don't want any part of it.
All right, we got them switched out now. So my skis are on the Radar Vapor. Dirk's on the Connolly C1. Dirk has decided to stick with the VSR Versatile.
Hey,
so
we'll go with
that's
whose
gonna
rope's
make him.
hooked up.
So that means nobody's rope's hooked up.
Yeah.
All right, hold one or two fingers behind your back. Derk, you choose.
One or two fingers?
Well, I'll choose one or two. Of course, he could change it.
What?
One.
Ah, all right, guess I'm going first. Or no, I lost.
Yeah.
I can't defer, right?
No,
like in football?
You can't defer when you lose. That'd be funny.
I don't care if you want me to go first.
No, it's fine. I don't know what's going on with this.
As we
Five.
run. You got up. Yep. Dude, that's so fucking rough. Oh, look at his front foot. It's gonna be hard to run up fast. It's dark.
one. A little rough. It's okay, Conley. I still love you. Give Derk a good ride.
Oh my God.
I think we'll call that one a tie.
I think it's a tie.
That was fun and that was rough.
I do think the
Jeez.
ski seems good. I like to ski on once upon a time.
Yeah.
This.
I like the way it turns.
It really slows.